Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Brandon Robles, and today we will be talking about how you can make some serious money off some good old kids' books. So, as of today, March 2nd, Dr. Seuss Enterprises has announced it will discontinue publication for 6 of its titles. From the official website of Dr. Seuss Enterprise, they announced they have made the decision last year to cease publication and licensing of these 6 titles. This is where you get some pen and paper and write these down, guys. This is huge. So the 6 titles are And to Think That I Saw It on Mulberry Street, If I Ran the Zoo, McElligot's Pool, On Beyond Zebra, Scrambled Egg Super, and The Cat's Quizzer. So this is huge news for any fans of Dr. Seuss. These books will no longer be published anymore, and therefore they're rare. So what does this mean for you guys? It's a big opportunity to make some real money. So on my screen, I have all 6 titles pulled up on eBay, and I'll show you exactly what they were selling for as of yesterday and what they're selling for now. So let's go ahead and take a look at these. So you should see my screen. I have screen recording on. All right, the first title we're looking at is And to Think That I Saw It on Mulberry Street. Go ahead and take a look at these sold comps, guys. Look at this. Look at this. $269. There's an offer there that went for something $200, maybe $150 range. $129, $149, $200, $225, $219, $250, $400, $200. I mean, that's insane, guys. That is insane, right? Let's scroll down. These are all March 2nd. As of the time I recorded this video, these have sold today. Today, guys. March 2nd, March 2nd, March 2nd, March 2nd. Look, all these. You need to be looking for this title, guys. Let's go to the next one. We got a brand new for $135, $120, $110. This is the cover that I saw on a lot of the news reports. Even this blue one for $100 easy. $249, $194, guys. Look at this bid right here. The Scrambled Eggs, which is one of the titles, and If I Ran to the Zoo, and the Mulberries, all for $750, guys. That is insane. Let's go to the next one. I'm not even sure if I'm pronouncing this right. McElligot's Pool. I don't know. All I know is the cover, right? $399, brand new right there. $150, $200, $499, $200 all day, all the second. All right, the fourth book out of the titles, On Beyond Zebra. Make sure to memorize that cover. $800, guys. $599, $400. This one looks like the biggest one so far that we've taken a look at. I mean, look at these prices. Imagine, a lot of the places I go thrifting, you can pick a kid's book up for like 25 cents. Imagine flipping this, guys. Be on the lookout. This was only announced today, right? Tomorrow, get out there. Oh, guys, come on. I typed them in, but I actually didn't look at all the price of these, so this is my real reaction to these prices right now. $500, guys. 500. One bid, one buy it now. 500. And look how these people are advertising them. Discontinued. Discontinued. If you come across them, play with that. Play with that for your titling. It's true. $450, $300. There's that one that we saw. $599. Guys, oh my gosh. It's getting me hyped up. I'm about to go out tomorrow. And then the final one is The Cat's Quizzer. Bid for $500. $550. $325. $280. Whoever got this, that's a steal right there. Oh, it's a magnet. Okay. I was like, dang, they're selling them cheap. Do they not know what's happening? $495. $300. Look at that. The super lot. I can't tell what that small one is, but 3 of these titles we do know. We just looked at them. $1,500 today. Today, guys. Those books yesterday, they probably would have been going for a couple dollars or something. I just got a sale. $1,500, guys. $500, $300. So you get my point, right? This was announced today. Make sure to drop a comment down below if you guys have run across these books before, if you guys have these books, if you guys find them when you're watching this. Drop a comment down below. Let me know. I want to see how common these books are. And it'd be really interesting to see how many people run across them and how many people flip them. I want to hear all your guys' stories. If you sell one, I want to hear it. Anything. I want to hear it, guys. A lot of you booksellers, just like me, I skip over kids' books. Unless I get them for free, I'll take a look at them. But if I'm at a Goodwill, I'm at a Lighthouse, a Salvation Army, I pass the kids section. Maybe a lot of people don't. Maybe look at them. I pass through them. Usually they're 25 cents, 50 cents. What you guys need to do is go out now, whenever you can. Get out there. Just go through the kids' books. Don't even scan. Like, just look through them, guys. Look at the profit you can get from these. Breaking news. This is breaking news. These books are still on the shelves. I would have gone today if the stores didn't close. Oh my gosh, look at this. 4 books for $2,000, guys. Get out there. And you never know. Soon, some of these books might also get canceled. You never know. This was just today. Apparently, they made the decision a year ago, but it took effect today. Get out there, go to your thrift stores, go to the Goodwills, go to any local thrift stores you can find, because I can guarantee you not many people have heard about this yet, but soon they will. Most of the listings for all those sellers before this news broke out, they were selling them for $3. They have all been bought up. If you take a look on Amazon or on eBay, there's no $3. They're $300, they're $400, $500, possibly even more, as you see here. But they've been all bought up, guys. There's bound to be one of these somewhere in your area. That's the way I see it. I haven't gone out and tried sourcing yet, but there has to be one. Imagine if you got your hands on just one of these. Buy it for $1, buy it for $5 if you needed to. $300, $400. Found all 4 of them. $1,000. I mean, come on, guys. It's worth your time. It really is. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope this video helps you guys make money. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Make sure to comment down below with any of your big finds. If you happen to find one of these books, let me know. I want to hear about it. Also, comment down below if you have any questions, or you can DM me at TheBrandonRobles on Instagram. And remember, guys, keep hustling, and I'll see you in the next video.